The Mystery of Lightning Man.
The girls were happily enjoying the party when suddenly there was thunder's sound.
They froze and could not move except their eyes.
The girls were enjoying dessert when suddenly again it happened.
Oh my god, what happened? أنا سمعت lightning. آخر مرة نحن سوينا الفون كان في lightning ونحن وقفنا بس ما عرفنا شو lightning توا وسوينا pause. أكيد شايف lightning خربان حد سوا. هي أكيد. ممكن الماجيك سووا حطوني كونتري. Scary man. And a stick with lightning on it. I think he makes the curse that when he makes lightning, we're dancing and then we stop. I think so he can steal the jewelry. Yeah, we have to set up traps so he cannot come in and just steal everything. Wait, what? Today I was putting my makeup on and I kept it here. Now it's gone. Where did my card go? I put my makeup right here. And also my tiara was here, right here. I don't know where it went. I'm so mad right now. Wait, she spent like 1,000 dirhams on it. Wait, what's that over there? Is that one of your tiara pieces? My tiara does have a lot of gems. I think it has a red gem? Yeah. Oh, it has a red gem just like this in top. Maybe we can find more gems and we can follow and then we can find that man in the window. Let's change our clothes so we can remember what happened at the party. I remember what happened at the party. The lightning struck and we froze like we were dancing and then what was that? I don't know. Maybe it was. Let's go to the party room. But maybe it was a lightning man. Maybe he's there stealing everything. At your friend's house. I saw him. I think he almost tried to see me. Oh no. He's not there. Jewelry and stuff. So it's fake. Yeah, fake. And then he's gonna make his lightning stop. But then when the lightning finishes, which I have an idea. I have lightning stuck there, and maybe we can do that to him. But it doesn't work on him. He's fake. He's just using magic. What? Magic? But don't be such scaredy cats. You're the scaredy cat. You were scared. Oh, I wasn't scared. We have a trick on our sleeves. I found these books at the library. How to get rid of the man. I'm gonna go with Maha and I will read all of them, okay? You guys see. I'm just looking how to do it. Oh my god. Then if we do this is the lightning man. This is lightning man. Ooh, I know. We need a dog. I know. Just to get rid of the man. Just get water. Wait. No, you need water. Wait. See, here says we need to get a baby from the street. See, this is us. We need to take a baby with us. Here it says one boy. His name is George.
we found a man. His name was Lightning Man. Yeah, that's Lightning Man.
And this is his.
And then the boy, tell you what he did?
What?
He asked his teacher how to get rid of Lightning Man. His teacher said Lightning Man is not real. And then he asked his dad. His dad said don't talk about it. That turned out to be Lightning Man.
Oh my god.
And then he asked his mom, who's Lightning Man again? Who's Lightning Man? And then he said,
Your husband.
your husband. I mean my dad. And his best friend, he took water, he put it on top of, he put on Lightning Man water, and then now he's gone. That's why he didn't see his.
Do this idea.
Okay.
Let's go hide, and then Lightning will come. He will not freeze anyone because he doesn't see anyone, and then we will come run, but quiet, and then pour water on him.
That's a good idea.
You have to be very quiet.
Not even a peep?
Not
even a peep?
Not even a pie. Here, and let's go. And we're gonna do like this. Okay, I'll just spray the water. Okay. He's coming, quick. Hush. He's coming, he's coming. Yes, finally!
Lightning Man?
Became a
Baby!
Oh no! I guess you're not rude anymore.
What's her name? What's her name? I guess I should name her Alia.
Oh yeah, that's a perfect name. Now we'll make her grow up into the most beautiful girl in the world. Wait, let's put some makeup on her. Sure thing. They overturned because of the.
Where's her makeup?
I found it. It's on the floor. Oh. Come Alia. Come Alia. Oh my God! Look, there were two doors. But these doors are locked.
Put her in the chair. Put her in the chair. Put her in the chair. Yeah?
Yeah.
See me?
I see the makeup. Blush.
Hello, anyway, bitch. What's her name?
Lisa, that's not Arabic.
Sorry, I forgot.
Finally, it's a happy ending.
Bloopers.
Oh, there's water outside. No, they got That's his underwear.
No, we have to. You see, I saw it. It was about to see me.
Wait. What? That's the secret.
Please subscribe and like.